Hello everyone, welcome to our channel AKB Machines. Friends, we represent MorEKTA brand under which we make lots of different innovative machineries which are specifically used in beverage industry, starting from soft drink, juices as well as packaged drinking water. We also make machines for filtration of water, filtration of sugar syrup, then carbonation system, sparkling water, tonic water, lots of different beverage machineries we make which are very affordable. Friends, our machines are very affordable and we provide machines in which you can set in a very small space. As you can see, this is our fully automatic filling line for different beverages, friends. With this very machine, you can fill drinking water, you can fill juices, you can fill vinegar, you can fill different gravity flow sauces, cleaning agent, you can fill your milk. So there are n number of opportunities, n number of possibilities with this very machine, friends. So friends, let's talk about this machine. Friends, this is our compact yet fully automatic filling and capping machine. Yes friends, with this very machine you can fill as well as cap. You just need one employee, you just need one operator for this very machine. So these kind of bottles, friends, these kind of PET bottles you can use. So friends, you just need to put the bottle over here in the air feed conveyor, and from this air feed conveyor the bottles get pushed over here. The filling is done, the capping is done, the cap fitting is done from the cap vibrator. From here there is a gravity pull of the juices, and we have provided the Y-angle valve. Because of that very valve, you can fill pulpy drinks as well as hot beverages. You can fill both the kind of things with the help of this Y-angle valve, friends. Alright, so from here, the juices, the water, any kind of liquid detergent, then any kind of material, perfumes, essence, oil extract, soya bean oil, refined oil, any kind of different flavoring extracts. Then you can also fill coloring agents. There are n number of possibilities, friends. You can also fill syrups. You can fill flavored syrups like strawberry syrup, mango syrup, pineapple syrup. You can fill different syrups, as well as you can fill cough syrups. You can also fill medicinal syrups. You can fill antiseptic juices. You can fill antiseptic. You can fill the anti-agents. All these kind of things you can fill with this very machine, friends. So it's a multi-purpose machine. You can fill so many different kind of bottles with the help of this machine. And the build quality of the machine is very hard, friends. It's a heavy duty machine. We don't compromise with the quality of our machines. None of our machines we compromise with the quality of our machines. And this whole machine is made up of food grade SS material. All the electric and electronic parts are branded, and you can run this machine day and night without any itch. Friends, let's talk about the speed of this machine. So when you're going for 200 ml of bottle, which is a very running size, you can fill 100 ml of bottle, 125 ml of bottle, 200 ml, 150 ml, 300 ml, 400, 500, 600, 1 liter, 1.5 liter. You can definitely fill. You can also fill 2 liters with this very machine. So friends, if we talk about 200 ml of running size of the bottle, you get a speed of around 32 bottles per minute. Yes friends, you get a speed of more than 30 bottles in a minute. So in 1 hour you can take around 1800 bottles, and if you run this machine whole day, you can take out around 18,000 bottles in 1 day. Yes friends, it's a great quantity with this small setup. You can see it's such a small machine, friends. In this very machine you get a top speed of around 18,000 bottles in 1 day, and you need just one operator. For this very machine you just need single operator. Only single operator can do the job of filling, then cap dispenser, capping, and the loading on the conveyor belt. So let me just explain you a bit about this very machine. So this is the air feed conveyor. So what you have to do is just put the bottle over here. This is the washing system. You just need to wash the bottle over here and just place the bottle from here. After placing the bottle will move over here, and after it moves, these are the 4 walls, and this is the tank. So on this tank, from this tank, the juice will come out or the liquid will come out, and one by one you have to do the settings. Over here it's a very simple setting we have provided. The settings are also extremely simple, friends. Any layman can do it. Any layman can easily do the setting. You just need to do the setting of the volume of the water, the volume of the liquid, and from here the setting will be done. You have to start the machine, you have to start the conveyor belt, you have to start the vibrator, you have to start the capping system. All these things you have to activate with these kind of buttons, and from here you can also adjust the speed. You can adjust the speed of the conveyor system, adjust the speed of the conveyor belt, you can adjust the speed of the star plate, the movement of the star plate, that is the rotary system. Alright, so all these things can be adjusted, can be controlled very well. So after the bottle is filled, and after the bottle is filled, from here the bottle will move forward. Over here this is cap feeder. So this cap feeder works with the cap vibrator. This is the cap vibrator, and from cap vibrator the caps will come over here, the feeding will be done, and after the feeding will be done, the capping will be done. Even the capper which we have provided is a very high quality capper. It's a magnetic torque control system. So from here the capping will be done at a very high speed, and after that the bottle will fall on the conveyor belt and it will move forward. So on this conveyor belt, if you want any kind of labeling requirement, if you want any labeling machine, we can provide you the shrink labeling machine, or we can provide you the auto sticker labeling machine. Also we can provide the bunch packing machine, we can provide you the batch coding machine. So we have n number of different machines after the bottle comes out. So we have all those machines. Even if you want the boiling system, we also provide you the electric boiler. So with this boiler you can make your juices, you can make your syrup, lots of things can be made with the help of this electric boiler. There are n number of possibilities with this very boiler. If you want a machine to extract your juices, if you want your machine to make a pulp, so we can provide you a multi-purpose juice machine. So in that very machine you can take out extracts of different essence, you can take out different pulps, you can make juices. There are n number of possibilities with that machine as well. Also we provide you the RO system. We provide you the RO for 250 liters per hour, 500 liters per hour, 2000 liters per hour, 3000 liters per hour. We have a big range of RO system, friends. So you can start producing water also with the help of this very machine. You just need a good quality RO system which we can provide you, and you can attach the machine to this very machine, and then your packaged drinking water will be done. You will be able to make the packaged drinking water with the help of this very machines, friends. Alright, so this is how the machine works. You can, and this machine is so compatible, friends, with very less investment. The consumption of electricity is also very less. The investment is less. In a very less budget you get these kind of machines. And also apart from this machine, we provide you the whole formulation. So for juices, we provide you all kind of formulations. Let's say strawberry, pineapple, vanilla, any kind of juice you want. You want any kind of regional beverage juices. If you want mango, lychee, guava, pineapple, strawberry, muskmelon, watermelon, mixed fruit, guava, all kind of juices we provide you. So friends, we provide you the formulation for every juice. If you want cost reduction agent, we provide you the cost reducing agents also. So you get everything under one roof. We provide everything under one roof with our machine, friends. So to know more about our machines, do call us on our WhatsApp number, that is +91 8822686868. So friends, you can also check out our YouTube channel, in which all the machines what we are manufacturing are displayed. All the flavors we produce are displayed in our channel. You can go through it and you can subscribe to our channel so that you will get all the details again and again. Whenever we put up new videos, you will get the notification and you can see our videos, friends. So let's begin with the operation of the machine, friends. So friends, let's begin the operation on our EKTA automatic liquid filling and capping machine. So let us begin, friends. So to start, we have to switch on the main machine. So you have to switch it on. Basically, when we on this part, the start plate will start moving. We need to increase the machine speed. We will take it to 70. Okay, then we have to switch on the conveyor. We have taken the speed of around 35, and then the vibrator, and then the vibrator. Alright, and lastly we have to start the air conveyor. This is the air conveyor. So I'm going to start the air conveyor. Alright, and I wash the bottle from here, and then I put the bottles one by one. You can see, friends, all the 4 nozzles are working simultaneously. The filling is being done. The capping is being done. Very precisely,